Hello everyone. Welcome to an online session of class 6 history topic Vedic age. Today we are going to answer some of the exercise questions. Exercise number 1, fill in the blanks. Question: some historians are of the opinion that the Indo-Aryans originated from dash. Answer: Central Asia. Some of the historians are of the opinion that the Indo-Aryans originated from Central Asia. Question number 2. Dash is the oldest Veda. It contains dash hymns. Answer: Rig is the oldest Veda. It contains 1028 hymns. Question number 3. The chieftain in the early Vedic age was named Rajan. Question number 4. Dash and dash were intoxicating drinks that were offered to gods and consumed. Answer: Soma and Sura were intoxicating drinks that were offered to gods and consumed. Question number 5. Kingship gradually became dash in the later Vedic period. Answer: kingship gradually became hereditary in the later Vedic period. Exercise question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Statement number 1. The word Veda means knowledge. True. Statement number 2. There are 7 main Vedas. False. Only 4 Vedas are there. Question number 3. The Vedic period is divided into 3 parts. False. It is divided into 2 parts. Question number 4. Soma and Sura were offered to the gods. True. And 5th one. Yama was the god of death in the Vedic period. Yes, it is true. Exercise number 3. Match the following items given in column number 1 with column number 2. Column number 1, 5 items are given: Brahmavarta, Soma, Sabha and Samadhi, epics, and last one, god of thunder. Column number 2 items: A. Plant juice, B. Ramayana and Mahabharata, C. Early Vedic age, D. Indra, and E. Assemblies. Answers: Brahmavarta. It is also known as early Vedic age. Number 2, Soma, plant juice. Number 3, Sabha and Samadhi, assemblies. Number 4, epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. And number 5, god of thunder, Indra. These are the answers. And question number 4, otherwise exercise number 4, give one word for the following. Number 1, the region around the Gangetic Valley where the Indo-Aryans gradually settled. Aryavarta. Answer: the 4 stages of a man's life. Answer: ashramas. Another name for a priest who assisted the Rajan, Purohita. The lowest stratum in the Varna system, Shudras. And the last one, the second ashrama in life is called Grihastha. Now, last exercise, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Compare the area of settlement during the early and later Vedic age. Answer: In the early Vedic age, people first settled in the Saptasindhu region of Punjab. The land where they settled is known as Brahmavarta, but the later Vedic age people settled in the Gangetic Valley. This region is called Aryavarta. Question number 2. What were the political changes that took place in the later Vedic age? Answer. In the later Vedic age, tribal units expanded to form kingdoms. The role and character of Sabha and Samadhi changed. Kingship gradually became hereditary. The kings were in charge of defense and maintaining law and order. Question number 3. How did the position of women change in the later Vedic age? Answer. The father was the head of the family. In the later Vedic age, women were expected to serve their husbands and look after the family. The position of women appears to have declined. Question number 4. What was the nature of social classification in the early Vedic age? How did it differ from that of the later Vedic age? Answer. In the early Vedic period, the social classification was on the basis of occupation and was flexible. The Varna system during the later Vedic period took a more rigid form and was hereditary. They followed a fourfold caste system such as Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras in descending order of status. Question number 5. What was the nature of worship in the early Vedic period? What were the new features of Vedic religion in the later Vedic age? Answer. In the early Vedic age, the people worshipped the forces of nature as gods and goddesses, but in the later Vedic period, Brahma became the important god. Complicated prayers, elaborate rituals, and sacrifices became more important in worshipping the gods. Religion became ritualistic and expensive. Question number 6. Name the stages of life of an upper class man in Vedic society. Answer. The life of an upper class man was divided into 4 stages or ashramas, such as Brahmacharya, otherwise at the time of a student, Grihastha, householder, Vanaprastha, hermitage, and Sannyasa, renunciation. Question number 7. What were the main occupation in the early Vedic period? Answer. Cattle rearing and cattle farming were their major occupations. You know that because they were nomads. As they settled down, agriculture became the major occupation. Weaving, carpentry, chariot making, and metalworks were the other occupations they engaged in. Question number 8. What were the occupations that developed in the later Vedic age? Agriculture was the chief occupation of the later Vedic people. Weavers, carpenters, chariot makers, metalworkers such as coppersmith, ironsmith, goldsmith were also lived in the villages at the time of later Vedic age. This is the end of the topic. Thank you all of you.